100 Maiden Lane wasn't really my apartment, but for the last year, it held my family together. On June 29th, we're handing back this apartment. Hi, I'm Geraldine, and if you've been following, you know where we are now. I have a list, I have boxes, and my son and his dad have a place to go. This apartment is my ex's lease. My son lives here full-time, and my ex and I rotate in and out. My ex is here during the week, and I'm here on the weekend. So you see, I didn't choose this place. We picked it in a crisis. And I guess you could say it was a crisis of understanding. This place was triage. It was rented in a rush after something broke. And you can feel the difference between something that's yours and a place that's being held for someone else. And yet, while I'm here packing up this place, I realize that another door has been opening. Before I think about what's next, I need to say goodbye to a place that held me together. Actually, that held us all together for the last year, even at a time when we really didn't know what was happening. 100 Maiden Lane represented my ex and I working together, even when neither one of us got what we wanted. At the time, it was a triage solution. But triage solutions can hold entire lives together. The boxes are real, the deadline is real, but something shifted when I wasn't looking, and this place did its job, and I did mine. What I didn't expect was what downtown gave me. The quiet, cooking in a kitchen that wasn't my mom's, sleeping without listening for someone, being a mom without being watched, and then the car title. The paperwork chaos that reminded me I'm still in the middle of untangling a 20-year life. Will not miss the laundry here. It's ridiculous and terrible and doesn't work. I won't miss feeling like a guest in my own kid's home. And I definitely will not miss the commute, schlepping my stuff back and forth. That has been a lot. What I'll miss about this place is the quiet. Being up high is really nice. And cooking in the kitchen that I don't have to negotiate with other people.
I could have gone easy on you. I could have been easier to please. Cold December, reminiscent all the good things. Was it better than I ever thought it was? No, I want more of love.
The neighborhood helped me too. I had my little coffee spots and local places. Mostly the water. I will absolutely miss the reminder that we do live on a little island called Manhattan. That part I'll carry. Some of it I'm happy to leave behind.
Vida empieza otra vez, y me dice mi niña, confía, vas a estar bien. El mundo está en fuego, todo cambia y lo veo. Calles arden sin freno, entre ruido y desvelo. No hay por qué preocupar.
I've lived in the boroughs my whole life since I was 17, so pushing for downtown Manhattan felt counterintuitive even to me. This is the neighborhood where Jude got acquainted with the city, and when it comes down to it, more closets or safety and proximity to the school, this neighborhood was the answer at the time.
sigo trabajando, todo voy logrando. No hay por qué preocupar.
He slept on a king bed in the living room so Jude could have the bedroom. Jude built a recording studio in there, and that's the apartment. That's who we became during this chapter.
Día a día voy soltando, día a día voy sanando, poco a poco voy llegando, día a día sigo confiando que el amor y los sueños vendrán. Tengo fe, me sabrán encontrar. Día a día voy soltando, día a día voy sanando, poco a poco voy llegando, día a día sigo confiando que el amor y los sueños vendrán. Tengo fe.
When I pushed for this apartment, people around me didn't understand it. Why was I involved? But I wanted my son to have a safe place in the city that he could learn how to navigate, take the subways, get around, feel comfortable, be independent. Sometimes the right thing and the comfortable thing are two totally different decisions. This apartment was me knowing the difference and doing what a mom would do, even when my own hands were shaking. Some of us handle transition better than others. Money changed hands for an apartment in Midtown Manhattan, and it means something different to everyone in this dynamic. To my kids, stability and proximity to each other. To my ex, a bedroom of his own. A killer gym, closer to work, basically quality of life, finally after years of putting everyone else first. To me, knowing everyone in my family is taken care of is everything. And personally, I'm still working out what it costs. How do you know you've changed? Not the big moments, but the quiet ones. Let me know in the comments.
This is getting old, getting so old.
So the package was signed, sealed, and delivered, and the apartment is now figured out. Wherever we all land, I trust that we're still going to be showing up for each other and helping each other out. But that's not why I know where I'm going. For the first time in a long time, I have something that's mine. That is this YouTube channel. So thank you for helping me create this corner of the universe, and keep following along.